Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called SAWAKE. And what this is a laundry basket that is portable. If you guys can see how portable it is, it's foldable like this. And then once you guys open up, it actually becomes a laundry basket. So let me actually open up and show you guys what it comes with and how to set it up first. So they do provide you a little instruction guide, a little card to teach you guys how to set up the product and how to use it. So they provide some rods to actually set up the product and like make it into that shape that you guys want it to have. They provide you a little laundry bag that you can use to wash it when you guys dump it into the washer and whatnot. And then here we have the product itself. Let's open it up. Alright, so once you guys open it up, it's actually really big and really spacious. If you guys can see how big it is. But you guys have to set up the rod first, so let me actually do that first. So for the rod itself, it's actually pretty cool because all you guys have to do is open like this, and it goes back in place like this. And then you guys are all set, and you have to just set it up, putting it like that. So the way how you guys set up the rod is by opening this part right here. There's one on each corner, so you just have to open it like this. So you just have to stick in this rod to this little hole right here. Just push it all the way in. And then once it's all the way in, you just want to tape it back on like this. And then you guys are all set for that corner. So you guys want to do the rest for the other 3 corners as well. So let me actually finish that and then show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so we just finished setting up the product. You guys can see this is basically what it looks like. So they have this 2 little handle parts that you can actually use to hold it. But let's open the inside and show you guys what it looks like now. So you guys can see, once you set up the product correctly, putting the rods on all 4 corners, this is what the interior of the actual product looks like. On the actual lid itself, it has a sticky part right here and sticky part right here. So you can just stick it onto the actual front part right here. So that way you guys can actually close it and it's actually secured and whatnot. And also the back part, you guys can actually move it as well if you guys want to. And then for the material that's on the product itself, it's actually waterproof, so you guys don't have to worry about it getting wet or whatever. And then I'm pretty sure some of you guys want to know how big the size of the actual product is. So if you guys look at the side by side comparison, if you guys compare this to me, you guys can see it's huge. So you can actually put a lot of laundry in here, so you guys can stack it all up into 1 whole week's worth or maybe 1 whole month's worth. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that I did a quick unboxing and like a testing on the product itself and how to set it up and how to use it, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. I would definitely have to say that it's worth it if you guys are trying to look for like a portable and also a strong and durable laundry bag. Especially since this one is super durable if you guys saw how small and compact it is when it came. But most likely definitely have to do like an update video in the future to let you guys know how well it is after a long period of time of using it. Because most stuff when you guys first get the product, it usually is worth it until you guys use it more and more. And then you guys have to realize how long does it actually last and whether or not it's actually still worth it after a long period of time. Just as that saying goes, nothing lasts forever. But definitely as the first-hand perspective of getting the product and feeling it and setting it all up, I would definitely have to say that this is actually worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today, G Squad fan shout out day we have